Meaning of ILO.
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 ILO. ILO stands for International Labor Organization. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations that was founded in 1919 to promote social justice and promote decent working conditions throughout the world. Its mandate includes developing and promoting international labor standards, improving working conditions, and promoting employment opportunities. The organization has been instrumental in addressing issues such as child labor, forced labor, gender equality, and social protection. Through its global network of governments, employers, and workers, ILO works to achieve its vision of social justice and decent work for all.